I just got my wheels back from the tire store. The rear tires are 255 45 17s with a G4 Sport Comp 2 tire, and the fronts are a 225 50 17 with the same tire, G4 Sport Comp 2. Here's the front tires mounted. I don't have the center caps on, obviously. They have a 3-inch Mosier wheel stud. They're sticking out about maybe 3/4 of an inch, maybe about an inch. These do say wheel side. I got my Crossmember in too, so since my car's up in the air, I'll go ahead and install this. This hole I had to use a 7/16 drill bit to ream it out. That was the only one I had to do, but it's definitely a snug fit. I'll go ahead and just run the fasteners down since that's all I have to do. It is really close. Luckily I do have new body bushings. Both sides are really close. So the last thing I'm going to do for the video is paint the engine. I washed it one more time with oven cleaner, let it dry, blew it off. Then I washed it with mineral spirits, and then pretty much doing the same thing, and I'm about to lay down some primer, and then I'll top it. Okay, this is what I'm going to be using to paint the engine. It's just a gloss black. Well, here's the engine after I painted it. I'm just going to let it dry, then tomorrow I can start hitting in the freeze plugs and maybe even hone out the cylinders. I mean, I just take a stone to them, but we'll see what I can do tomorrow. I want to pull out the dowel pins too. And the car, it's down on the ground. I'm thinking about taking the anti-hot bars out, but there's also not a whole lot of weight in the car either. Okay, bye.